Welcome to JH. I've been using Bodyworks curl cream for a few weeks now, and it's surprisingly managed to become a staple in my hair routine. The cream provides a medium hold that defines curls without turning your head into a stiff, crunchy brick of ramen noodles. It leaves the hair soft, bouncy, and full of life with a natural shine that isn't greasy, because looking like you haven't showered in a week is rarely the goal. I appreciate that it doesn't weigh my curls down or leave that lovely oily residue we all pretend to enjoy. The ingredients are actually top-notch, featuring agave to lock in moisture, silk protein to smooth things over, and castor oil to reduce frizz and protect from daily damage. It's free from harmful chemicals, sulfates, and artificial fragrances, which perfectly aligns with my need to feel superior about using clean beauty products. The scent is subtle and clean, rather than overpowering your entire personality. Overall, Bodyworks Curl Cream actually delivers on its promises, providing a reliable and natural styling option for anyone wrestling with curly hair.